Get myself in the right muddle with this bloody camera. Right, anyway, so that was the first one. Not like that one. Right, now so we're sat here, whole farm, so I've got to go turn right out of here, get to T-junction, turn right, turn right, miss that one, and it should be on the left opposite. I can't see that. Delvin Farm. There you go. Right. You twat. I should do that again. Some idiot forgot to press record. Right. So that was the first one. Oh yeah. Morning. He didn't look very happy, did he? He didn't look very happy chappy at all. Oh, there you go, there's a bit of traction control coming in. It's probably just as well. Oh, there's ducks, whack. Oh, more ducks, whack. And we better not upset this lot. Come on, duckies. Where you going? Alright, well you stay, you go that side, and I'll go down the middle. There you go, that worked out lovely, didn't it? Oh, wrong gear. Oh, now, do you recognise this from any YouTuber's video? This is videos. Right, anyway. Oh, the big green tractor. We like a big green tractor. That's lovely there. Right, we'll leave this go. I think it's going to be the last lane anyway. Because my Hero 9 battery's about to go flat. I keep meaning to buy another one. I don't know. I just haven't. Yeah, this farm on the right. That's where I used to work. Well, farm down there. That's lovely, isn't it? Oh, it's that and another farm in the next village. Right, anyway, concentrate what you're doing. I'm going to be turning down here, aren't I? Dead end. The other not for me, it's not. Right, I'll get these going as well now. Well, that one's about to go flat as well. I've got another battery for that. In fact, I've got... Oh yeah, I've got batteries everywhere now. I've got two batteries for that, haven't I? I've still got one on the other, on the... whatever camera that is, third Hero 3. That is an actual Hero 3. I don't know what the difference is between a Hero 3 and Hero 3 Plus. I couldn't see any difference. I don't think it does 4K. I don't know if does this do 4K? Perhaps it only goes up to 1080p, which is a bit useless. It all just looks out for when I watch videos of 1080p on. They all just look out of focus to me. Well, especially in light when it's dark like this. It's alright, like good daylight. Now, I didn't really look closely. Where am I going? Rosemary Lane. Great Lodge Farm, let's see. Oh dear, I better check where I'm going. We don't know where I'm going. Oh yeah, we're on that junction now, aren't we? I've got to go to the lifticators. Yeah, I seem to got completely obsessed with them. Kings of Convenience, their new album. I've just been playing it on repeat. Oh, when I'm in the van or the Pajero. I only really listen to CDs. But yeah, I don't know, I just love that. Shall I go a bit faster? Oh no, I shan't, because I should meet a car. Don't upset him. Now, I think it's just at the end of this, isn't it? Is that a byway? What does that say? It looks like it says byway, doesn't it? Are you sure? Well, I ain't going down there, am I? I think we'll call that a no. Are you sure? Look, you're doing this very well, aren't you? Oh, damn. Oh, I shall be there in a minute. Public. No, it says public footpath. Public byway. Further down here. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, dear, we're going to slip over on the gravel now. Right. I shall go here and have a look. Oh, I certainly shan't be going down there anyway. Oh, look, byway. What an idiot. Okay, I mean, some of them are overgrown, but there's no way I was going to get down that, was there? Well, this one's a bit boring now. I think I'd rather have gone down the other one. It's a bit more of an adventure. Right, anyway, so that... This is probably going to be the last one. Oh, mind you saying that. Oh, I know this one. Yeah, perhaps I won't turn off now. I don't know. I think, is this the one that you can see the castle? Wow, I'm completely lost now. Where's the castle then? Oh yeah, the castle should be over this way, shouldn't it? My brother and sister-in-law obviously got married in the castle. That's quite nice. I used to, I don't know what bird of prey it was. Bird of prey is the ring bearer, which was quite cool. It come flying down over our heads. You see the castle from here? Boing. A little bit gravelly. Oh, I should look where I'm going, really. No, I don't know. I can't quite work out where I am. Oh, easy, tiger. See, that's why I'd rather traction was on. You know, I go and give it a fistful here, and it's not the most powerful bike in the world, I'm just going to end up on my arse, aren't I? Oh! It's a bit lively. Oh, it's one of those, look. I remember those. Oh, it's quite lovely around here, isn't it? Easy, tiger. Oh, where are we going? Oh my god, oh, I don't know where I'm going now. Am I still on a byway? It doesn't look much like a byway, does it? Oh, I should go this way. Well, the castle's over there, look. I got completely lost. Oh. I remember going down a byway and it was on your right there. You could see it, see the flags waving. Right, anyway, so that's probably it then. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, I'm still recording, aren't I? Hit the like button. Comment. What else? Oh, that looks a bit scary house, doesn't it? Ooh. Yes. For plenty more videos to come. Oh my god, I'm ready to get run over now. Right here, presuming I don't get run over. Just... Oh, there's a big farm there. There's lovely houses around here, aren't there? Right, anyway, I'm out.